Everyone, myself Falguni Solanki. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss paragraph of direct indirect speech, and this one will be our last part. In previous parts we have seen all the type of sentence pattern in indirect narration like assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, optative, and last one is let sentences or suggestive sentences. Now here we have instruction convert into indirect narration or convert into indirect speech. First one is what do you want from me? Asked the girl. Only some work in your office, the man replied. What kind of work would you like? Let me permit to do work in color department. Okay, you can start from today. So here we can see that one para in direct form. Here we have two person, यानी कि one speaker and second listener. But with sentence, our speaker and listener both change. Like what do you want from me? Asked the girl. So in first sentence, the girl is a speaker. Only some work in your office, the man replied. So in this sentence, man is a speaker. Same way, here the girl is a speaker and man is listener. In second sentence, man is speaker and girl is listener. Speaker and listener interchange. What kind of work would you like? Let me permit to do work in your color department. So here, this question, what kind of work would you like? Do we have any specification about the speaker? Okay, here there is a girl or man. But still we are clear that this sentence is said by the girl. Let me permit to do work in your color department. This one replied by the man. How can we recognize by the dialogue, by the sentence? We can guess that okay, this sentence by the girl and this second one is by the man. Okay, you can start from today, it's by the girl. Now let's convert into indirect one. So first of all, you have to identify the tone of the sentence. यानी कि we have an imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence, assertive sentence. So the what do you want from me? Question mark. So the question sentence, interrogative sentence, and said by the girl, and who is the listener? The man. Now our sentence will be like this. The girl asked the man. The girl asked the man what he wanted from her. What do you? You यानी कि listener and listener is a man, so yeah, you convert into he. Want convert into wanted from me, that me यानी कि speaker and speaker is a girl, so here me convert into her. You can see that underline word, which word we have to change in the para. I have underlined it. The man replied that he wanted only some work in her office. So here you can see that only some work in your office. Only some work in your office, the man replied. So the man replied that he wanted. This word is added by me. मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड किया है इस word. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस को मैं फ्रेमिंग दे रही हूँ कि he wanted यानी कि who? Man wanted only some work in your office. Here your means girl and girl is a lady, यानी कि her office. Clear? You, your, he, she, her. Then the girl asked, what kind of work would you like? हम लोगों को पता है ये सेंटेंस किसने बोला है? गर्ल ने बोला है. So the girl asked again, ASKED. The girl asked again, what kind of? Now what is a here reporting verb, तो यहाँ पे ask है, तो यहाँ पे what क्या है? Connector है कि दो सेंटेंस को, जो सेंटेंस उसको कनेक्ट करने का काम कर रहा है. यहाँ पे if और whether यूज़ नहीं होगा, because as I told you, whenever the WH word is there in the sentence as an interrogative one, that time WH word itself used as a connector. Now what kind of work? So what kind of work would you? Now would you convert into you would, so you means a man, listener, so he would like. लेट मी परमिट टू डू वर्क इन कलर डिपार्टमेंट. सो लेट यहाँ पे है तो हम लोगों ने वर्ड यूज़ किया प्रपोज. सो मैन प्रपोज टू लेट हिम. मी यानी कि मैन, तो मैन तो यहाँ पे क्या है, बॉय है, यानी कि मेल पार्ट के लिए यूज़ किया गया है. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया, मी कन्वर्ट इन टू हिम. परमिट टू डू वर्क इन कलर डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे. सो द गर्ल एग्रीड विथ, यहाँ पे ओके लिखा है तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं द गर्ल एग्रीड विथ हिम एंड से दैट ही कुड स्टार्ट. Can convert into could. Start remain as it is because whenever we use auxiliary verb, that time root verb will remain as it is. So you can start from today. Now today convert into that day. Clear? Okay. Now second para we have, how beautiful the Kakaria lake looks, said Miss Brown. We are proud of this lake, said Amay, a tourist guide. Are there any other interesting place to visit? Said Miss Brown. Yes, many, replied Amay. So here we can see that we have conversation between two person, one Miss Brown and second is Amay, a tourist guide. So let's start indirect narration. So first sentence, how beautiful the Kakaria lake looks, said Miss Brown. So यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस है उन्होंने बोला है, और टाइप कौन सी है सेंटेंस की, इट्स एक्सक्लेम सेंटेंस, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, बिकॉज वी हैव एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क एंड सेंटेंस इज ऑल्सो इन अ वे एक्सक्लेमेटरी मस्ट बी फ्रेम. सो मिस ब्राउन एक्सक्लेम्ड विथ प्रेज, हाउ ब्यूटिफुल, तो डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे प्रेज हो रहा है. सो मिस ब्राउन एक्सक्लेम्ड विथ प्रेज टू अमय. अमय कौन है यहाँ पे, टूरिस्ट गाइड है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने स्पीकर एंड लिसनर साथ में ले लिया है, यानी कि यहाँ पे स्पीकर है तो अमय लिसनर है. सो मिस ब्राउन एक्सक्लेम विथ प्रेज टू अमय. अमय कौन है, अ टूरिस्ट गाइड, दैट हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द काकरिया लेक लुक्स. तो द काकरिया लेक looks convert into looked, very beautiful. How remove, and instead of how here we have to use very and beautiful remain beautiful. Now second thing, whenever we have para form in indirect narration, first whenever we start the narration use speaker and listener together, यानी कि in one sentence, but there is no need of use listener again and again after the second sentence. वी आर क्लियर दैट यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो ही लोग हैं, दो के बीच में ही बात हो रही है. अगर ये स्पीकर है तो नेक्स्ट दूसरा कौन है, लिसनर है. समझ में आ रहा है. लेकिन फर्स्ट जब आप सेंटेंस शुरू कर रहे हो इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन, तो वहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करो कि हु इज स्पीकर एंड हु इज लिसन इन फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. देन देर इज नो नीड टू स्पेसिफाई एवरी टाइम. या बट इफ देर इज मोर देन टू पर्सन देन यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई. अमय, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ दिस लेक, सेड अमय, a tourist guide. So Amay replied that we are proud. So they were proud of this lake converted into that lake. Are there any other interesting place to visit? Said Miss Brown. So Miss Brown asked, are there? So are there means यहाँ पे इंट्रोगेटिव है, बट WH वर्ड एज अ यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन वर्ड नहीं है. सो हम लोगों को कनेक्टर कौन सा यूज करना पड़ेगा, इफ. If there were, are there converted into there were any other interesting places to visit? Yes, many, replied Amay. So Amay replied positively. Why I have used here positively? Because here yes. So whenever we have yes, we have to use positively, and no means negatively. So Amay replied positively that many, यानी कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे places हैं जिसके आप visit कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब आ रहे हैं, कनेक्टर्स आ रहे हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ जब भी आप इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन करते हो तो ये जो आप रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब यूज़ कर रहे हो, कनेक्टर यूज़ कर रहे हो, उनके भी मार्क्स काउंट होते हैं. आपको जितना भी आता है उतना करो, उसको ऐसे ही मत छोड़ो. दैट इज राइट. टेंस चेंज करो, यूज़ कनेक्टर, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, वर्ब चेंज, टाइमिंग वर्ड चेंज. और सिंपल थिंग है दैट एनी सेंटेंस एक्सक्लेमेटरी or interrogative you have to convert into a simple यानी कि assertive sentence. Now let's see third one. third one is William, why are you laughing, Joseph? Joseph, wait a minute. I am reading a funny incident. William, what is it about? Joseph, please wait till I finish. Now here we have specification in every sentence that we have two speaker, यानी कि William and Joseph. Now start. So first sentence said by William. William asked how? Because we have question mark. Joseph, why are you? You means Joseph, so you means he. Why he was laughing. Joseph replied that wait a minute. Joseph replied that wait a minute. Open right. Joseph replied to wait a minute. You can also use to here. And added that. And added that. क्यों यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा and added that? Because there is a two sentence said by Joseph and here full stop then second sentence. So we have to add the dialogue of Joseph. So we used here and added that. I am reading. Who I यानी कि Joseph. So Joseph is a boy. So he was reading a funny incident. William, what is it about? So William asked, what is it? So here is convert into was. So it was about. Joseph, please wait till I finished. So Joseph requested to wait till he finished. I यानी कि Joseph, so I convert into he and finish convert into tense change finished. Okay. Now fourth one. What a nice child you are, Dr. Uncle said to me. Thank you, said I. Open your mouth. I will open if you give me a chocolate. All right, all right. Now here conversation between a doctor and a child यानी कि I. So Dr. Uncle exclaimed to me. क्यों मैंने यहाँ पे me क्यों लिखा है? Because यहाँ पे second sentence में हमारे पास कौन है? Speaker I है. It means ये sentence जो बोला है वो listener कौन होगा? I. So यहाँ पे मैंने me लिखा है. Dr. Uncle exclaimed to me that what a nice child you are. So you are यानी कि I, क्योंकि यहाँ पे listener कौन है? Me है. So I was a very nice child. Thank you, I said. अब मैंने अच्छे बच्चों की तरह यहाँ पे थैंक यू भी बोला है. So I thanked him. Open your mouth. यहाँ पे we have clear idea. Who said? Dr. Uncle. So he यानी कि who? Dr. Uncle told me to open your यानी कि my mouth. यहाँ पे क्यों my आ रहा है? कि यहाँ पे मैंने listener कौन है? Me है. तो जब भी आपके सेंटेंस में you your हो और आपका जो लिसनर है वो मी हो तो वो चेंजेस आई मी माई के अकॉर्डिंग होगा. I said I will open if you give me a chocolate. So I said that I would will convert into would open if you give me. So he gave me. You यानी कि who here? That Dr. Uncle. Give convert into gave. Me remain me. A chocolate. All right, all right. So he said, यानी कि Dr. Uncle said that all right, यानी कि he is ready to give. So here you can also write that Dr. Uncle, but Dr. Uncle it means he. That's why I used here he. Now second thing, whenever you use only speaker and no listener, that time you can use said. लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है said, यहाँ पे कोई listener नहीं है लेकिन हमें पता है कौन है, तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया हुआ है. दैट्स वाई आई कैन यूज सेड विथ ही. और यहाँ पे आपका लिसनर है तो कंपलसरी यहाँ पे टोल्ड और अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस जो भी फीलिंग आ रही है वो वहाँ पे लिखना होगा. फिफ्थ वन, बाय मी सम न्यू ड्रेसेस पापा. वाई? You have got as many as 30. They are all outdated now. I want some new ones. Maggie insisted. Be ready for tomorrow. I will take you for shopping. So here, buy me some new dresses, Papa. So Papa is a listener. And who is a speaker? We will get it in next sentence. Why? You have got as many as 30. This is said by Pa. They are all outdated now and I want some new ones, Maggie insisted. So this sentence is said by Maggie. Clear? Now indirect narration. Maggie told her papa to buy me यानी कि Maggie, so यहाँ पे her, some new dresses. Here is a Maggie is the name of the girl, not that your noodles Maggie. Why? You have got as many as 30. So her papa asked the reason. मैंने यहाँ पे reason क्यों लिखा है? Because why and why always say reason. And added that you have यानी कि she had got as many as 30. कि बहुत सारे ड्रेसेस तो ऑलरेडी पड़े आपके पास, वापस क्यों चाहिए? They are all outdated now. So Maggie told that they were outdated. And now convert into here, then. And I want some new ones. Maggie insisted. तो यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हम लोगों को रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब दिया हुआ है. And insisted that she wanted some new ones. Be ready for tomorrow. I will take you for shopping. So Papa said to Maggie, या हम लोगों को पता है कि यहाँ पे कौन है तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Papa said to be ready for the next day. So tomorrow convert into the next day. And added, I will take you for shopping. So that he would, I means father, Papa, and will convert into would, take you यानी कि Maggie, so here her, for shopping. So students, here we have seen that 5 para, how can we convert into indirect narration with the different type of sentences. Whenever we convert in indirect one, that time make sure that first of all identify the type of sentence. According to it you have to use reporting verb and connector. Okay, now it's time for the self-practice para. Let's see our self-practice paragraph. First one, is the train late today? Asked the passenger. Yes, it's half an hour late, replied the clerk. Please give me 2 tickets for Mumbai, said the passenger. Do you want to travel by mail train? So here in first sentence we can see that asked the passenger यानी कि यहाँ पे this sentence said by passenger, by clerk, said the passenger, and this one directly it's a clerk. Second one, let's visit Mathiran during summer vacation, said Prapti to her sister Samapti. What an excellent idea. Have you talked to our papa? No. Why? He is moodless today. Unbelievable. So let's visit Mathiran during summer vacation, said Prapti to her sister Samapti. यानी कि here it is specification about the speaker and listener. What an excellent idea. Have you talked to our papa? Now first one said by Prapti to her sisters. So here what an excellent idea definitely said by Samapti. No. So this one is by Prapti. Now आगे आपको खुद आइडेंटिफाई करना है कौन सा सेंटेंस समाप्ति ने बोला है, कौन सा प्राप्ति ने बोला है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज द एंड ऑफ आवर direct indirect speech. I hope you'll get new things about direct indirect one and enjoy our previous parts also. Keep watching our channel, like us. Thank you.